What's up guys, Express here, back with another video. Now this video is me building my first full custom keyboard. So, full custom keyboard, so I had the board itself, the switches and the keycaps. Not any soldering or anything, no lubing, it's a basic first build keyboard. So the first thing that I did is unbox the board. I really like this board. I love the white color, and the little knob on the right is like a really nice touch to me. This board overall has a really nice feeling, and I don't know, it looks cool. 75% keyboard in my opinion is something that I needed. I needed the F keys, I needed the arrow keys in my opinion for my Photoshop skills. And then I went up to the switch. Switches are of course the Sakura switches from Echo. I really like those switches. I just looked up every single switch that they had, went on YouTube, just went for the sound really, and they sound really nice in my opinion, so I went for those. So I placed them all hand by hand, all 75 switches of course. Took me some while, but I'm not gonna lie, they look, just the pink alone on the white looks really cool. After the keycaps you won't be able to see them. So yeah, after that of course I put up the keycaps. You can really see in this video that I'm putting on the keycaps, and then I realized that 3 of my keys don't fit my keyboard. And this was really sad, and then I was thinking, what do I do? So basically the Alt, Windows and Control key on the right hand corner are a bit smaller than on the left Control, Windows and Alt keys. So basically, because it's a 75% keyboard, the arrow keys makes that those keys are a bit smaller than normal. So I looked at those keycaps and I saw them on my old keyboard, and my old keyboard is a 60% keyboard, and I thought they probably fit on a 75 as well. They don't fit on it. That's my mistake. I'll probably buy some new ones that fit those keyboard, but I've put some keycaps that I got from Echo a couple of months ago, those white and purple keycaps that I made a video of. I put those on, those fit perfectly, and the board still looks nice, but it was not my vision of my old school kind of looking keyboard. I'll probably buy some new ones. I already found some, and yeah, and now it's time for the sound test of course. So let's of course start with my old keyboard with the new keycaps on top of it of course. Let's just listen how that sounds and compare it to my new one. So now over to my new keyboard with the old keycaps, and let's see how that sounds. In my opinion, the new one sounds a lot softer, a lot more gentle. If you want some more keyboard videos, let me know, because I'm probably gonna switch those keycaps on my new board with, of course, the ones that I actually wanted. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So Echo, if you see this, please sponsor me again. Really love to work with you guys. Maybe some product shots, maybe some video shots. Would really like to work with you guys. Your product is amazing, and yeah, either way, I'm still buying your product. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.